Hi guys, as you can see, I am not in my own kitchen. This is actually my mother-in-law's kitchen. Yeah, but she's cool with it. She's cool. She's very kind to let me use her kitchen to cook some stuff and some supper. Lately, I've been watching some Running Man's video. It is actually a Korean reality TV show, and sometimes when I watch them cook the Korean kimchi ramen and eating them, it's making me drool. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook the kimchi ramen. First of all, you're gonna need this kimchi ramen. Is it kimchi ramen or kimchi? I don't know what it says. Ramen kimchi. And this is from Samyang's brand. Oh, there's even a halal printed here. So my Muslim friends, you guys can try and cook this. Next, you're gonna need 2 eggs. One for me and one for my hubby. I'm actually cooking for both of us. So it's a 2 portion. Some green veggies. Any veggies you can find in your own fridge or your mother's fridge. Don't forget to ask her about that, just in case tomorrow she wanna use it. 1 pack of Enoki mushrooms or any type of mushrooms you like. And some meat. So this is a pre-marinated chicken meat. I think it's a chicken breast. I don't know because this was actually prepared by my mother-in-law. She wanna use it for tomorrow, but I did ask her. She said yes, you can use it anytime you want. Usually, I marinate it with about a tablespoon of light soya sauce, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, a pinch of sugar, white pepper, and cornstarch. Just a little bit will do, and you just mix it up and just leave it there on the table, room temperature. Looks kind of gross now, but it's going to taste way better later. Most important thing, you need this dairy pot. Okay, I need to tie my hair up. Sorry guys, I didn't make up or didn't appear for a few weeks now because I'm actually at my parents' in-laws house, so it's kind of a little bit inconvenient to film. It's about 10:30 p.m. and they already went to sleep. It's not that I'm doing this sneakily, but I feel a little bit uncomfortable because if they're around, I'll be too shy to record video because they're not used to this kind of situation. So yeah, okay, let's begin. You clean the veggies. Just put it in a tub like this. Somebody ate my veggies. Okay, fine. It means it's not pre-sprayed with those anti-pest kind of thing. So you just leave it in the water like this and soak it about 10 minutes or so that it gets freshened up, because just now it looks like it's sleeping, sobering. I'm gonna put this veggie somewhere. Okay, I'll put it on the floor. See you later. Got my pot. My lid. So I'm using this bowl. Later on, I'm going to measure 2 bowls of water because of 2 portions, so it's easy to estimate that way. I'm going to use the tap water. It's pre-filtered, okay, so it's safe for cooking. Pour it in. So it's about a half pot for 2 people, but it's much more accurate to measure it with a bowl. Okay, this is a bit scary. Whoa. Put on a medium fire, just like that. Just put the lid on it to let it boil faster. So next, I'm going to cut this Enoki mushroom. Oh my god, why is this so hard to... What's wrong with you, man? Why won't you open? Okay, cut it out. Now I'm going to cut it first right about here. This, just throw it away. Now this, you just rinse it. I know it's weird there's a basket here because I need it as a tripod. Oh, this stinks. Just stretch it a bit and just gently squeeze it out, the excess water. Okay, so now this looks much more alive, not sleepy like just now. You see how the leaves open up like this. It looks more appetizing, isn't it? See, when I grab it in a bouquet, it looks more alive. Rinse it again in case there's sand stuck inside, you know. Don't judge me, but this is how I wash my veggies. So you just put all together like this to speed up. So you just trim the end. This part, no need. Okay, so this is my method of cutting for, you know, instant noodles. I am going to trim it in small slices like this. Makes it taste better because it looks different. In small slices, about 1 cm. Watch out for your fingers when you cut this if you're not familiar in cutting stuff, or you can just ask your mom. So there you go, settle. This is the result and it looks nice to me. When you take it out, don't take it out as you take it like that. And hold it so you don't, you know, burn yourself. Okay, next I'm going to get this open. Okay, I need scissors. I don't know why all the packaging today is not working for me. Usually I just like, you know, just crack it open, but today it's not. Maybe they're camera shy, or perhaps they want the scissors to be featured in the video. Yeah. There's only one pack. Okay, I thought there would be like, you know, side dishes or something. There you go, see? Now you're talking. First of all, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. This brand, it doesn't provide any oil, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. The purpose of the oil is so that it's not that, you know, dry. You have some oiliness in it. Yep, just about that. Then I'm going to put the kimchi soup powder inside first, so that later on when I cook all those ingredients, it will have the kimchi smell. I don't have kimchi like the real kimchi veggie, so now I'm going to put this meat in the pot first because meat requires some time to cook. While waiting the broth to cook the meat, I want to tell you guys some very funny story. What happened was, back then McDonald's have this promotion of the extra spicy ayam goreng McD, you know, that very spicy, the way they advertised it. Me, as a fried chicken lover, yeah, I like fried chicken actually. So the thing is, usually I would go for the normal spicy flavored fried chicken, and when they have this promotion coming out, so I gotta try it. On my first try, it was okay. To me, it's not as spicy as they advertise. It seems like a normal spicy rate. I guess the first attempt, they probably give me the wrong flavor. The second time I tried it, it was okay, still bearable. The spiciness is more spicy than the first attempt. Then on the third time, I tried it again. Whoa, it's crazy, man. It blows my mind. I got tortured by McDonald's fried chicken. There are 3 parts in my body. It's like burning like hell, like seriously. My mouth, my stomach, and my ass. 3 of them is like burning, you know. It's like, oh my gosh, I'm laying down on my bed like crying because it's such a torture. And after that experience, I swear to God, I am not going to eat that spicy chicken ever again. After that, I just eat like the normal regular spicy, which is still okay. I like spicy food, but not until like that kind of very spicy level. So it's kind of like a love-hate relationship with spiciness. I know it's weird. So back to the cooking. So I'm going to put the Enoki Mushroom. Next, we're going to put the ramen in. When it says 4 minutes, yes, you cook it for 4 minutes exactly, so that you get that toing kind of noodle. Alright, so we're going to put it in. Pour it in. 4 minutes it is. Okay, now I'm going to put the egg in. I'm gonna rinse the egg first. I usually do that. I don't like to directly use it. Oh no, pecah already. Oh no. Okay, these could be the eggs are not fresh, that's why. So next I'm going to put the veggies in. So that is all for today's video. I hope you like my little cooking video content. If you guys like the way I cook it, or if you guys have tried this kind of cooking, just let me know at the comments box down below. So that is all. I'm gonna eat my noodle now. Bye! I'm gonna... Oh my god, okay, I burned myself.